You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this expression from French. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting but often confusing names and other French words. So how do you say this? It means, of course, here it is in French. For reference, in France it is said as et voilà, et voilà. In English it is usually said as et voilà, et voilà, et voilà, you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.